What we are doing is we are start collecting our 16-liter one-way bottles, 5-liter bottles. We are bringing it back from the consumer. When we put that concept in our office, everybody was like, is it going to happen? Consumers are like that. But what we found out is, with the continuous effort and communications at different platforms, using our customer service platform as well, we found out right now we are sitting more than 40% collection back of whatever we sell on 16-liter and 5-liter. So it is happening. So things can happen with the education. This is proving. This part of the world, I think the adaptability will be quick, not as the other part of the world, because people are well aware what is happening right now. And last but not the least, what we do is also we do some initiatives with Dubai municipality, like beach cleanups and all that. That is also, and again, with all those activities, we are linked with degrade. And what we do with this plastic? This mask, what you're seeing it here, is 100% from our PT bottle. We do uniforms for our staff, our sales people, from our recycling material.